Dr. Shraddha Mishra, pathology mentor, and today I'll be discussing a very important topic with you, which is approach to RBC morphology. It is a vast topic with various subtopics inside it, and the first one which we'll be discussing is RBC with projection on the surface. Friends, you know it very well that RBC doesn't have any projection on the surface. Surface of the RBC is smooth. Okay, but what if instead of a smooth RBC like this, okay, observe the surface is the smooth. If I draw a surface, it should be smooth. But what if you get an RBC which is not smooth but pointed like this? Can you see these spikes? This spiky RBC or RBC with a thorn like projection is seen in which disease and what this cell is called as. This is a very important frequently asked question in various examination. So friends, I'll give you a very important simple mnemonic by which you can remember these cells. These projections are spiky. Because these projections are spiky, so we call them spur cell. Spiky and spur. And you can also say that these projections are thorn like, they are pointed. Okay, and in the Latin we call thorn acanthos, and that's why we can also call them acanthocyte, cell with thorn like projection, acanthocyte. So spur cell and acanthocyte will be the peripheral smear diagnosis of this smear. Okay, in which disease this cell will be seen? What is your diagnosis? Friends, again a simple mnemonic: A for acanthocyte, A for A beta lipoproteinemia. So search for A word in your options. So key feature: cell with spiky surface, spur cell, acanthocyte, A beta lipoproteinemia. These are the keywords of this slide. A very important. Let's go to the next important slide, which is again projection on the RBC, but these projections, they are not pointed, they are blunted. Friends, can you make the difference from the previous slide where the projection were pointed versus this slide where the projection are blunted? Here projections are blunted. Okay, again a very simple mnemonic: B for blunted, B for Bursell. B for blunted, B for Bursell, we'll be calling it blur cell. Again, these projections are like this. You can also draw them like this. So they resemble the word E. They resemble the word E. So that's why we also call them echinocyte. Burr cell and echinocyte is the diagnosis of this particular smear. In which disease, in which condition you will be seeing these cells? Again, mnemonic is very easy. Just write the word Burr. The first word is your first diagnosis. Burr cell is seen in the bun, and second alphabet is the diagnosis uremia. Thank you for the listening, friends. Kindly share the most important topic which you like to learn in coming videos. Thank you again.